Good day. Today we're going to quickly look at how to do a payout from a till point. So a payout is any time money leaves the till and is not kept internally, meaning you give money to a supplier, or you can give money to somebody that's going to go and buy a product. So this is the button that you'll use, the money leaving till. You click pay supplier. You'll say here maybe 2039. Bits. Let's say you're going to give him 100. Then you select not a supplier and you just select your expense category, for instance salary expense, and you hit save, and that will deduct the 100 from this person's account, from this cashier's account when it comes to the cash out.